that you have this in your refrigerator or your pantry right now. So the next time you're going down the aisles of the grocery store, don't forget to pick up an extra bottle of distilled white vinegar or cleaning vinegar. Today we will talk about a few ways to use the two of these around your home. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. And to my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Vinegar is an amazing cleaning product. It is inexpensive and can be found almost anywhere. And some of you may say, well, vinegar stinks. Well, vinegar has the ability to become a neutralizer. Add about 2 cups of water and a half a cup of vinegar to a pot and simmer on the stove for about 1 to 1.5 hours. And the smells, they will dissipate. Vinegar can be used as an inexpensive fruit wash. Use a small amount of vinegar, about 1 tablespoon per quart of water. Soak your fruits and vegetables. Rinse and pat dry, and most importantly, enjoy. You can also add baking soda to the vinegar for an extra deep cleaning of your fruit. In a spray bottle, add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of dish soap, and 2 cups of water for a homemade window cleaner concoction. Over time, our shower heads become clogged with buildup. And to clean it, you need a Ziploc bag and a rubber band. Fill it with water and some vinegar. And in no time, 20 to 30 minutes, all clear, no clogs, no more. So who doesn't love soft towels? Well, to your laundry, add 1 cup of white vinegar about every 6 weeks along with your favorite laundry detergent of choice. And it will remove that soapy residue that makes them feel rough, and it will restore them back to softness and full absorbency. It also kills bacteria. Smelly workout clothes? No problem. Pre-soak them 20 to 30 minutes with 1 cup of vinegar and then wash, and smell be gone. As you can see, vinegar has so many uses around the house. It's inexpensive and a great cleaning option. So perhaps I'll come back with a part 2 because there's so much more that vinegar can do. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join my growing YouTube family, because my analytics are telling me that about 35% of you are watching, but you have not subscribed. It's free and it's fun and you keep coming back. So go ahead and join the family. Do it right now. I would love to have you. I really would. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video, which is Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you have to set your alarms, your alerts, and join me on Saturday at 10 a.m. for a live shopping haul and a chit chat. I'll see you on Thursday and Saturday. Follow me on my other social media platforms at Instagram and Facebook, both at The Priceless Pearl Life.